Hi guys, welcome to Hordes Info channel. Today I have OSCAL Tiger 12 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but your game not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, you search game as Mobile Legends and it isn't visible, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store and tap on our photo on the right corner, there, settings. And now family and parental control, which is on right now. To download game as Mobile Legends games Call of Duty, we need more than page 3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control and tap on page 16 maybe. Confirm I got it and save. Or we can turn off our parental control by this switch. After that we can go back and try search Mobile Legends games, which is visible right now. And we can install it. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.